Here we have for sale a vintage Schneider one-day cuckoo clock, and it is in perfectly working condition. If you'll take note, it has the old company forged weights. Many clockmakers went to a separate person and bought weights from them, but these were actually manufactured by the Schneider company. They're Schneider weights, and they're a little bit different than what you see on modern cuckoo clocks. They have a lot of great detail to them, and they're cast iron with an original bronze color, deep black bronze. The clock is made in Germany, not West Germany. It does function. It is a one-day. It is perfectly working. The case, perhaps you will take note that the case is actually a darker gloss type case and represents here the Bavarian diamonds or lozenge of the Bavarian flag. Underneath, it's a beautiful little clock. It has a sweet cuckoo, and we'll cuckoo that for you. The bird is wood, and it has a nice little chime on it. The clock measures approximately, this saves me quite a bit of typing in my listings, the clock measures approximately 10 inches by 6.5 to 7 inches and is approximately 5 inches deep. The face is wood, hands appear to be bakelite. It is a bushed hand with a forced collar. It's a very nice clock. It is perfectly working. It is a one-day Schneider, made in Germany, vintage. Thank you.